Ano nga bang dapat kong balikan?
May chance pa kayang mabalikan ko pa?
Days from now, matatapos na yung isang malagang chapter ng buhay ko. Ang tagal ko din palang naging second home tong campus na to.
Worth it namang balikan, kahit short term lang ang pagstay ko dito. Pero, dami palang nangyari sa maiksing panahon na yun, no?
Well, buti na lang makakasabay ko pa din tong dalawang to. Sa dulo naman pala, magkakasama pa rin kaming tatlo. Nung una nga, parang ayoko nang makasabay na lang. Itong dalawang to.
Incidental lang talaga yung pagdating ko dito. Mabilis din kasi yung naging process.
Bakit ba naman? Tinagal-tagal ko dito. Sa last part ka pa dumating.
Nung una kitang nakilala, may initial attraction ako sa'yo eh. Di naman sa looks. Di ka naman ganun kaganda, pero iba yung charisma mo eh.
Napaka-unexpected nung place kung saan kita nakilala. Wala lang talaga ako nung pangbayad kaya kinapalan ko na yung mukha ko.
Medyo awkward yung dating mo, pero cute naman. Incidentally, magkaklase pala tayo sa isang subject. Pareho pa nating back subject.
Nagbalik lang sa isipan ko nung nakilala kita. Palabas ako ng building nun eh. Tapos all of a sudden, tinanong mo ako kung saan ang game. Di mo kasi alam. Ako naman, nagpaka-pogi points na sumagot at samahan ka pa. Ewan ko ba? Nagmarka sa akin yung time na yun. Kaya nung nalaman ko name mo, nagtry akong hanapin ka sa social media.
Kung siya, awkward ang pagkakamit, eto namang isa, kakaiba. Meron na pala kaming chat history years ago. At nung nahanap niya ako sa social media account ko, nagulat na lang kami pareho na we've been chatting na pala because of an event that we both like.
Nakakatawa man, not very me. Pero I took it as a sign para i-pursue kita. Dahil nasa iisang campus na tayo.
The rest was history.
Nakita kong you deserve one another naman. So, kahit nandun yung pagkagusto ko sa'yo, initially, pinigil ko na lang. At saka matagal ko na rin kasi siyang kaibigan. At ngayon lang nagmahal ng ganyan yan.
Dito sa place na to.
Dito sa place na ito, first time tayong nagkasama-sama.
Nagulat nga ako eh, kasi magkakilala na pala kayo. And then, I was a witness both of your ups and downs. I never regretted being part of it.
Kahit maiksi lang, being with you are the loveliest time of my stay here.
At dahil dito lang talaga tayo nagkakasama, walang chance outside, dito na nag-grow yung relationship natin.
Parang lahat ata ng lugar dito, may memories tayo eh.
These places become our learning. Whether these are skills or these are personal traits that made us better. But we aren't spared of such challenges.
Dapat ba ipinilit ko pa noon?
Dapat ba binigyan ko uli ng chance?
Ako na lang yung lumayo.
I made all these places as my isolation. Kahit nag-iisa ako. Kasi ikaw yung nawala eh. Ikaw yung nowhere to be found.
Doon ko na-realize na pareho ko kayong di pwedeng bitawan. Siguro dahil may feelings naman talaga ako sa'yo at babae ka. Pero, ang hindi nyo alam pareho ko kayong minahal. And I was loving a guy without admitting it. And that's what love can do. It will make its way.
So ano nga bang dapat kong balikan? It's what we built. Beyond all this that we had.
I asked myself, may chance pa kayang balikan? Yes, there is. And the second chance was sweeter.
It was not the romance that we might have aimed before, but it was a genuine company and friendship.
Days from now, we will all be together again.
As we meet again, we shall celebrate our own success.
And as we leave this institution, the memories will be left behind and the relationship shall mature.
It is nice to be united again.
It is always happy to be truthful, no matter what the pain is.
Because love brings us together.
Kayo, anong istoryang may iwan nyo?